this video, we are going to focus on 3 most favourable reports: valuation by item, audit trail, and wastage report. So let's start with valuation by item. To begin, log in to single site, navigate to reports. You will have 6 options to choose from. Simply click valuation by item from the reports drop-down menu. Your report can be printed and exported to PDF or Excel. It also allows itemised in-depth reporting of each product per department. And you can also select an audit period. Moving on to audit trail. Simply click audit trail from the reports drop-down menu. Here, you can receive an overview of the total quantity and cost of each product counted per location. It also provides date and timestamps. Plus, you can select audit periods and reports can be printed, exported to PDF or Excel. Finally, let's take a look at wastage reports. Here, you can receive a detailed account of what product was wasted, the quantity wasted, and how the product was wasted. Plus, you can select audit periods and reports can be printed or exported to PDF and Excel.